Hey guys, so I was just at Juice Generation and I saw somebody do something that was a huge mistake. It could be costing them tens of thousands of free cash or free trips around the world. Keep watching to find out what they did and what you can do to avoid making this mistake. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with The Life Tailored, and we teach you how to travel the world for free using points and miles. If you like the channel and want to learn more, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an amazing welcome sign-up bonus or new credit card hack. And if you want to see how far points and miles can take you, follow us on Instagram at Life Tailored. So back to the story. Every day I get my gym and juice smoothie with half a banana. It's about 350 calories, 52 grams of protein. It's good for me, makes me feel good. I was noticing somebody pay for their smoothie and they used a debit card. So this is a tip I want to teach you guys to never use a debit card when you're paying for anything. Here's why you should never use a debit card. For one, you're getting a free 30-day loan from the bank whenever you use a credit card. You make a purchase, you have 30 days to pay that off. So even if you're really tight with your money, getting this free 30-day loan is a way to stretch your bills and make sure that you never miss a bank payment or you always have enough money to pay for anything. With the debit card, as soon as you swipe, your money's out of your bank account. And if you ever do an overdraft fee, those are super expensive and can really hurt your credit. Secondly, when you use a debit card, you're not building any credit. So if you're new to credit cards and just getting started trying to build your credit history, a debit card is not going to help you. On a quick side note, if you do want to build your credit really fast, we've got a video up here. It talks about how to build credit really fast using secured credit cards and also the best credit cards for college students or people new to the country. The third reason you have to use a credit card and never a debit card is with credit cards, with the welcome sign-up bonuses, you're basically getting free cash from the banks. I have another video up here where I teach you how to get $1,050 of free cash with either zero annual fee or really small annual fee credit cards. And these welcome bonuses are free cash. And finally, when you use a debit card, you're missing out on points that you can use for free travel or free cash. This past year alone, my Chase Sapphire Reserve has made me over $860 in free travel just by using the credit card. Now, if you want to learn how to travel the world for free using credit card points, check out the playlist I have at the end of the video. But right now, let's actually talk about why you don't want to use a credit card and why a debit card may be good for you. There's a couple of quick scenarios where using a debit card actually makes more sense than a credit card, so I want to get that caveat out there right now. So if you have credit card debt and they're not paying off your full balance every month, then you need to use a debit card. Credit card points are never a good value if you're ever holding a balance and paying any interest to the credit cards. That's how the credit cards win and we lose. Number two, some people simply can't control themselves when it comes to a credit card, and using a debit card or cash and the whole Dave Ramsey method of just spending money you have in your pocket, if that's how you are, then use a debit card. But hopefully you can kind of get over that and tap into these amazing credit card points. And number three, I have a debit card and I use it exclusively to get cash out of the bank. When I travel internationally, I use my debit card, and that's how we get euros and all that sort of stuff. A quick tip, it's best to never use one of those foreign exchange, money exchange things. It's best to use an ATM when you land in a new country than to use any of those Forex exchanges. So let me know down in the comments, were you using debit card? Did I help you with this video? Give me a reason why you want to use credit card points. Is it for free cash, free travel? And while I've got you guys here, keep watching the playlist coming up here. It's going to teach you how to hack credit card points and travel the world for free. And if you want to see how far points and miles can take you, then follow us on Instagram at Life Tailored and check out our stories to see what we're up to now. Okay guys, I got a new video coming out this Monday. For your subscribers, you're going to get notified and you can check it out. See ya.